Introduced as a competitor to the Ford Bronco and International Scout, Chevrolet's awesome K-5 Blazer attempted to bring a little luxury to a market invented by Jeep. By offering buyers more room, conveniences like air conditioning, and even a sleek two-wheel drive model, the Blazer easily became the segment's sales superstar. Lovingly restored into a rock-solid cruiser, this 1971 K-5 benefited from a detailed frame-off build that marries factory-straight metal to ruggedly robust appeal. It's hard to argue with the aesthetics of any late 60s or early 70s Chevy truck, and this Blazer's 1971 aesthetics might be the year that perfected the run. All that brawn shows well dressed in silver metallic two-stage. Inside, you'll find custom weather-resistant upholstery. Those durable seats and side panels frame a tasteful Chevrolet dash, which flashes custom sport truck wood grain next to upgraded factory air conditioning, a faux direct-fit radio, and rebuilt gauges. That radio is a placeholder because the truck's modern audio lives in a lockable center console and controls a powerful sound system, and the driver spins a factory steering wheel on a tilting column. Power comes courtesy of a 350 cubic inch GM crate engine that pairs an iron block with rugged iron heads and is fed by a Holley 4-barrel. Power meets the pavement through a tough turbo-hydromatic 350, which rides between a 12-bolt and a proven Dana 40. This Chevy started life as a truck that was tougher than most and ended up a head-turning stunner that's now nicer than most. If you're ready to enjoy a serious machine with serious chops, don't miss the chance to claim this awesome K-5. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.